Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove unwanted object from video. This is the CapCut tutorial. So let's get started. If you use your CapCut application regularly and you want to remove a unwanted object from your projects, it's very easy. Just tap on your project. This is for example my projects, and I want to remove TV on the wall here. It's very easy. Just a tap on your video or your projects and make duplicate here, and tap on the first video and make overlay, and after that you can add mask into your overlay video here. Try to search mask here and use rectangle. So try to use on the blank space like this, and tap on check and cover the TV here. You can cover all the TV here like this, or you can cover all the wall. And then maybe you can do better than me if you want to make this mask. Okay, like this. As you can see, there is no TV on the wall anymore. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also, click the button below. See you in the next video.